Welcome back to Golden Wave Basketball, where this second half is shaping up to be a thriller. Let's go live to the action down below right now. I don't do dancing zombies. I'm out of here.
It's close to midnight, and something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze, as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed. You hear the door slam and realize there's nowhere left to run. You feel the cold hand and wonder if you'll ever see the sun. You close your eyes and hope that this is just imagination. But all the while, you hear the creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is Thriller, Thriller night. And no one's gonna save you from the beast about to strike. You know it's Thriller, Thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside a Thriller, Thriller tonight.
Darkness falls across the land. The midnight hour is close at hand. The foulest stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years. And grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal the doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to shiver, for no